Do you guys remember this video? Check this out, because it's creeping me out. Southeast Asia is an amazing place, but it gets creepy at night when you don't know what you're listening to. I finally figured it out. What got me? And we had a lot of people guessing. Some of them were pretty close. I'm currently in Southeast Asia. Let's watch that clip again and see if you can guess it this time. Still can't figure out what it is? I will tell you. This freakish sounding animal is called the red Muntjac deer. These are a small species of deer typically found in dense forests in Asia. You thought the call was weird enough? Check out how it actually looks. Those holes on his face are actually scent glands. This animal is a true freak because males also have vampire-like fangs.